Check it out. See the hyper flash? We're gonna get rid of that hyper flash. That typically happens when you upgrade to LEDs. So I just bought this kit off Amazon. There's the instructions. Let's get it set up. Also, sometimes these LEDs don't work. Simple fix for that is take these little prongs and pull them out. Pull the prongs out a little bit, and that'll give it some more friction to hold on. You'll get better contact. Simple as that. Just make sure they're not flat. You'll be good. I'm gonna use a little bit bigger screws. So, first things first, drill out the hole on the load resistor a little bit bigger. 5/32, which is slightly bigger than 1/8. Finally, got it to work. Red and black, so the purple is not connected. Same here. Everyone has their own personal preference for the mounting location, but they did recommend to mount it on steel or metal as it gets super hot because plastic might melt. Now these LEDs I found on Amazon have a plug and play feature, which means you don't have to install these load resistors. Now what's cool about these LED lights is they are plug and play. You don't have to worry about reverse polarity. Enjoy Prime Day today and tomorrow.